Hello everyone, welcome to EME Technologies. My name is Munish Sharma and today I will tell you how to make your own disco lights with the help of these LEDs. So first of all, these are various LEDs of various colors which I have connected in parallel condition. Means positive is connected to positive and negative is connected to negative. All these LEDs are connected in parallel, and then a terminal of positive and negative is come out, and that we have to connect it with this battery, 9-volt battery. Like this it can be connected so that LEDs are glowed. And after that the base is connected to the motor. This is a normal 300 rpm DC brushed motor. This is to rotate it, so that these LEDs can make a pattern while rotating. Okay, so a different power source so that LEDs are should be glowed at their maximum brightness, and then we have to connect a different battery to rotate this motor so that rotation can make various designs. After that, for reflection purpose, I have used some foil paper. You can get it from your kitchen also, and this is used for reflection, so that a reflection of these LEDs can make a pattern on wall, so that one can enjoy this. uh, I am going to put it on these LEDs as a cover so that reflections of various LEDs can be shown. So let's test it. First of all, connect the LEDs. As you can see, the LEDs are glown now and a pattern is made. So now I am going to connect the motor of the battery. So as you can see, different patterns are made on wall with the help of this disco light. You can use number of LEDs or number of colored LEDs of different colors to make your own different patterns, which looks as a disco light. Okay, thank you very much. Do like our video.